Now, Asantehene Otumfuo II has activated a COVID-19 support system with an initial 1 million Ghana cedi fund. The money will be used to purchase food supplies and sanitary items for vulnerable communities in the traditional area. Amid the gesture, Otumfuo wants residents of lockdown areas to strictly follow the measures in place to avoid spread of the virus. Nana Jima was at a press conference to outstore the Stay Home, Stay Alive projects and filed this report.
Chief of Staff at the Mensah Palace, Kofi Badu, who spoke for the king, says Otumfuo is satisfied at the level of compliance with the lockdown so far. He admonishes residents against breach of government directives.
Yesterday he monitored what went on throughout Kumasi, and is very grateful that his people responded positively and allowed Kumasi to be managed in a way that showed that the people were showing sufficient discipline and were responding positively to the directions of the government. He's very grateful, and he hopes that this will continue, that all the people in Kumasi will comply with all the directives of government so that we can contain the virus and prevent it from spreading beyond where it is at the moment.
Ashanti region has been declared one of Ghana's epicenters of the coronavirus pandemic, having recorded 9 confirmed cases with 2 deaths. Already, a number of people are reeling under the partial lockdown, which government says is in the interest of the people. Mensah Palace, which had earlier declared support for calls for the lockdown, hopes to use the relief program to lessen the plight of the people. Mr. Badu again.
He has acquired a warehouse in which is assembled a number of commodities which he intends to use to support the efforts of government in helping our people to alleviate the suffering which all of us are having to bear in complying with the directives of government. As you know, this pandemic has imposed tremendous difficulties upon our people. All of us are having to stay at home. Our lives are being disrupted. Our economy is under stress. And he feels that it's our responsibility, the responsibility of all of us, to help each other to be able to cope with the difficulties that have arisen, to alleviate the suffering that our people are enduring.
From Kumasi for JoyNews, Nana Jima reporting.